There's a unique opportunity to make millions from machines in Africa right now. But many people think you have to be rich or break the bank to be able to afford machines. So in this video, we'll share with you 5 affordable machines you can leverage to make millions in Africa. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Motherland Investors, where we'll bring you the latest opportunities in the motherland. If you're new here, I'm Sylvia. I've spent the last 7+ years helping businesses and entrepreneurs break into the African market. And I've seen my fair share of products and services over the years. So I speak from a place of experience when I say these are the machines you should be considering if you want to make money on the continent. I've worked with hundreds of companies and I've learned that one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money in Africa is through machines. That's why today we'll be looking at 5 machines you can leverage to make millions in no time. So the first machine on our list today is plastic bottle molding machine. This sounds so simple, but many people tend to overlook it. Plastic bottles are in demand all across Africa. Every single African country needs plastic bottles. For oil processing, for fruit juices, for water, and even for cosmetics. You name it and it comes in plastic bottles. And at the moment, most of these bottles are imported from China. So setting up a plastic bottle molding factory on ground sets you aside from your competition big time, mostly because you cut off transportation costs and you can mold them in various shapes and sizes or stick to one specific size or type. You can't go wrong with the plastic bottle molding machine. The next machine on our list is the brick making machine. The price of this one will depend on the capacity and the output. There are so many varying types of brick making machines in the market right now. So depending on your budget and the outcome you're seeking, but you should budget anywhere from about $5,000 upwards for a good quality brick making machine. Bricks are a no-brainer in Africa. With the booming construction all across the continent, you can position yourself as a go-to brick supplier for construction companies. The sky is your limit. On average, a brick making machine could lay about 3,000 blocks every day. With the construction boom across the continent, that's a lot of money. You could either opt for the manual or the automatic machine. The automatic machine is much more expensive, but it requires less manpower, while the manual machine could be cheaper, but you have to the labor and the maintenance. The best part about this business is that the natural resources for making bricks are easily available across Africa. You can easily get soil or cement everywhere you look in Africa. The next machine you should be looking at is disposable plates making machine. If you know anything about Africa, you know ceremonies are not taken lightly. From death celebrations to birthday, naming ceremonies, and all kinds of ceremonies, there's always food. And where there is food, there are plates. More people are gravitating towards disposable plates because they are convenient. You don't have to wash them after an occasion. So if you have 500 people, you don't have to wash 500 plates. They're easy to transport. They're usually very affordable and convenient. And they can easily be made with things like recycled paper. Not only this is in high demand, but this business is environmentally friendly, which means you can benefit from tax exemptions from countries like Rwanda and Kenya. This is a business you should be considering, especially if you want to get into the green business niche. If you are interested in seeing how you can implement this business, click on the link below and give us a call. Our next business is the oil extraction machine. Not only this machine is in high demand on the continent, it is also in very limited supply, which means owning one of these makes you a king or queen in the space. You could extract oil from pretty much everything with this machine, from peanuts to avocados to coconut to shea butter, anything, name it. This machine is so valuable because it is used in the food processing industry, it is used in the medical industry, and even in cosmetics. So you could extract oil to make cooking oil, oil for medicinal purposes, or for cosmetics. It all depends on you. So you can scale up or niche down. Both are extremely profitable. A typical oil extraction machine will cost about $2,000 to $3,000 on Alibaba, depending on the capacity. This machine is not one many people know of. Very few people talk about it, but it's very crucial. Number 5, PVC pipe molding machine. Still relying on the construction boom on the continent, plumbing goes hand in hand with construction. And so PVC pipes are greatly needed on the continent. But most of the available pipes come from China. However, if you can position yourself as the go-to supplier for good quality PVC pipes, you stand to make a lot of money. because importing them from China comes with a lot of risk because they are made out of plastic. Some of them get damaged along the way, which means they're usually highly insured and are expensive, which trickles down to the consumer. Making them locally is going to skip all that hassle. Most of them are made from simple plastic. This business has very little competition and a very high profit margin. And even though this is the most lucrative machine on this list, it is also unfortunately the most expensive. A good quality PVC pipe molding machine will set you back anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 a piece. But the beauty of it all is you could start with a single machine and scale when you're profitable. So if you are looking to make huge profits with little input in Africa, these are the 5 machines that should be on your radar. They provide no-brainer solutions to existing problems, and the market is ready and hot for them. As I always say, there's no easier place to 10x your money in no time than Africa. If you found value in this video, check out our video on the 10 manufacturing machines that can make you money daily in Africa. See you on the other side.